Hello, this is Megan from the Homes I Have Made, and I just want to quickly show you how to edit your moving box labels and inventory so that they make the most sense for you and your home. Here is my Smooth Move Inventories and Labels file opened in Adobe Reader. And if you scroll down to the file, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of blue text fields, and that just means that you can type into anything here. Although this kit is 75 pages long, you actually don't have to go in and edit all of these labels and files based on the codes you want to use. All you need to do is open up this first page, and if you type into this page, it will populate throughout the entire rest of the document. So let me show you real quickly. In my example in my pictures, I used the first initials of each room as my codes, and so we'll just start with that just to show you. If I type in K for kitchen, and we'll say FR for family room, and LR for living room, you can really use whatever letters make sense to you. The big thing is obviously not to repeat any letters or else they'll be duplicated twice. I'll just quickly fill these out so you can get a sense for how this works. And I'm just going to do bedroom 1. And we'll do bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and bedroom 4, just to kind of show you. And then we'll do we have a B yet? No, we'll do basement. So now that I've filled these out on this page and everything is color-coded and ready to go, now if you scroll through the document, you'll notice that it's pre-populated exactly as you have it set. So my bright pink is K for kitchen here, and you'll see that my pink set is already pre-populated in the same way that my light pink set is pre-populated with the FR. So as you go all the way through, you'll see that all of your files are ready to go. And again, you can put whatever you want in this key page. So if you'd rather do numbers instead, for example, you can easily just come through and number everything based on whatever makes most sense to you, and just like that, your labels are typed in for you. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope you find these files helpful in getting ready for a move. Thanks.